Alright, so I have a water marble design. It can be for Valentine's Day or any time of the year, doesn't matter. It's gonna be a heart water marble design. So on my base I have Parrot Polish, Anna Maria Island, and I'm also using that with the water marble. And then I have 3 Zoya polishes, and I have green on it. Okay, so I have Samara, which is this beautiful shade. This one, which is Winona. And then this really pretty one, which is Velma. So I have, do I have these ones? Okay, so there's that one, that one. No. That one, and then this one on. It was also what my daughter put on her nails in a Skittle gradient, whatever. I think they're called Skittle Manis now. The names change so much. It's so weird. Okay, so you can use a safety pin, a toothpick, a sewing needle. This I got from Bundle Monster years and years ago. It's just a super pointed thing. It was actually called a water marble tool. They might still have it. Obviously it's Maniology now though. And it had like a lid, and yeah, I lost it obviously. So, and it's very it's old. Okay, so this is from Ribbits and Stickets. It's cuticle cover. A lot of them have different names. This one is Frog's Breath. I love it so much. So I'm going to apply it, and I'm going to go pretty far up in case I dip my nail in a bit farther than I need to. And then obviously around underneath like this. So I'm going to do it to these 2 nails and be right back. So on these 2 nails I have just 1 coat, and it looks amazing, of Samara. And then I'm just letting this dry because I don't want it to be messy. Or you can use Scotch tape. I've done videos where you just use some tape. Super easy. And I have my cup of water. I just filled it up last night and left it on my desk. So that's that. I also have a Q-tip for cleanup around. And I have a cotton pad with a little bit of acetone because I wipe off. Sometimes I do more, but it's good to wipe off after every swipe, so then you don't make the you don't blend the polishes, or it could cause a rip. So that's sometimes you can get an empty patch in your water marble design because the polish pulled from that. So I'm just opening these up. All right, and then waiting for this just to dry a minute more. All right, so I'm going to start dropping the polish in. You don't want to do it too far up because then it will just drop to the bottom of the glass or whatever you are using. And I'm trying not to breathe by it because those layers are obviously super thin. So if I sound far away, I kind of pulled my head back. But yeah, I'm just going. I'm not touching the water either. It's just right above it. And then it goes in and it spreads. And this design, if you do a smaller container, you don't have to probably use as many rings, but I have this big cup. I was going to find a smaller one and then dump the water in there, but I didn't. And a lot of water marble designs you can put 2 fingers in, but this one you're going to want to just do by itself. And then there. So these outer layers, those first few circles are already going to be dried. So let's see. You're going to want to go out like this, and then you go down. So I like this side. So I'm going to turn it and try not to stick my fingers on there. And then, so you want to just pull from maybe like the third or fourth layer, like this, and into the middle, and then grab again and go down, and here, and go down, here, and go down. So you just want to keep doing this back and forth. And this one I accidentally just ripped. So I'm gonna see if we can do it this way, because I don't want a hole in my hearts. So let's try going backwards. And then if not, it's okay, because then, so here's like the start of the heart design, but I don't really like it because it's gonna have a gap in it right here. So you can definitely dip your finger in, but I'm gonna do it again. So I'm just gonna blow on it and then grab it out, and then I'm just going to repeat the process and be right back. So again, I'm just dropping the water or the polish into the water like this. Sometimes it stays on your polish brush, which is okay. So I'm just going back and forth until we build it like this, because the bigger rings are also a lot lighter in color too, because it's spread out. So if you want nice bright colors, it works to put like a base coat down of white or a different color. So I'm going, and my cat's trying to jump up here. Squeaky. What are you doing? Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna not do the middle, so I'm gonna go down this way like that, and then down and down. I'm just going back and forth from each side and pulling it in. And then you start getting the hearts in the middle, like this. And you can do as many as you like, as long as however long your nail is. And once you I hardly do this design, so the more you practice, the hearts will probably be more in shape. So I like how it is. So it's not perfect. My thumb looks like this. So I'm gonna dip it to where my tip is right here and then go that way. So I'm gonna just line it up like this and dip down, and then I'm gonna grab the Q-tip and I'm gonna blow on it, and then try not to touch your nail at all. You can move it out of the way, keep it underwater, and make sure to get all this stuff out, and then you can bring it up and then see your design just like that. So I'm going to do it again. I'll speed it up and then be back. have your hearts. So then I'm just going to remove the latex now. And I'm gonna be super careful because you don't want to get it stuck on your nail. So I'm gonna lift up, and then don't get the polish on you either because obviously it's still wet. So there we go, like this. So there's just a little bit of cleanup. So I'm gonna do that with, where is it? Rolled away. My cleanup brush, it's from Clear Jelly. It's a blue one and it's like nice and thin. So I'm going to do that and be right back. So I went ahead and put a top coat on, and then I just got some like little mermaid bubble bead looking things and some diamond ones, and applied that just like this, and then my thumb. So it just takes some practice, but I hope you get some ideas and give it a try. Let me know if you do, and if you have any questions, let me know. Alright, see you later. Bye.